Achieving economical and suitable voyage. To achieve the most suitable and efficient voyage through the vessel's trade area, the following points must be considered and ensured. One, to ensure economical navigation in ballast voyage, consider the adequate amount of ballast water by referring to the trim and stability booklet that is provided by the shipyard. 2. Consider seasonal weather and sea conditions of the trading area and estimate the effects to the ship's maneuverability. Additional ballast taking can be considered if the master needs it. 3. Determine the most suitable route against external factor in the trading area to maintain contract speed and consumption. 4. Monitor ship's condition using the loading and stability calculation program and maintain it at a suitable level. 5. Refer to SOLAS regulation for view range from navigation bridge. The view range of the sea surface from the conning position shall not be obscured by more than 500 meters forward of the bow under all conditions of draft and trim. The present view range can be shown in the loading and stability calculation program. Observe the criteria for minimum foredraft in rough sea conditions as designated by shipyard. The charterer will provide special instructions for ship speed occasionally. When facing limitations such as pilot boarding time or shore readiness, they may be instructed to adjust vessel speed to economical speed. If ship's ETA is later than the available time to berth directly, the ship will be instructed to reduce speed to the most economical to reduce fuel consumption. Reduce the vessel's speed to the minimum continuous speed required to reach the port, so as to adjust arrival time to clear the limitation. The master has to revise the navigation plan according to the instruction and ensure that the ship's target ETA is not delayed by this adjustment. It's important to have some margin for ETA, especially during rough weather season or area. This means that the master is able to make adjustments from the point reachable to the port under any conditions. If ETA cannot be adjusted by only reduction of speed, consider drifting or anchorage. This revised plan is to be proposed to charterer from vessel in due course. To specify the minimum continuous output of main engine, consider the following points. 1. No additional boiler burning to establish EGE function. 2. No additional consumption for electrical power. 3. Condition of combustion chamber and maker's instructions. Seek the operation point of main engine to match the above points in its performance curve. Calculate how much fuel consumption will be reduced, as explained below, if ship is operated at the new operation point. Assuming 98 tons of fuel consumption with 85% MCR, to navigate 1,000 miles to reach the destination with a normal full speed of 16 knots, it takes 2.6 days, and fuel consumption will be 255 tons. Fuel consumption while waiting at berth is estimated to be 2 tons. Total fuel consumption will be 257 tons. If new operation point is 70% MCR, you will get a speed of 15 knots. Fuel consumption will be 82 tons per day. Navigating the same distance at 15 knots, it takes 2.8 days and a fuel consumption of 228 tons. Compared with the previous example, 29 tons of fuel was saved. Main engine system is to be checked and monitored carefully when sailing under this condition. When determining the amount of supply bunker quantity, observe the bunker margin that is instructed by charterer. The bunker margin must be observed strictly because of 1. Increased displacement. Decreased ship speed due to increased resistance from water. 2. Decreased loadable amount of cargo. 3. Increased expense for fuel oil.